What's going out there? I want to show you this 69 GMC that my son and I are building. He's 14 now. I wanted to build something with him before he got out of high school. So I figured a C10, C15 would be perfect. I love these trucks. I had a 72 growing up. It's my first vehicle and I've always been in love with them. So we went with a 6-liter. It's out of an 08 Chevy pickup, 3/4 ton. So it's an LY6 with the VVT we'll be deleting. This is all just mocked up right now. We got Richard Holdner. He calls it the RIP 1200 turbo. I think it's, 73 millimeter or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but hopefully it works well. I would imagine it will. I got the hot side kind of fabbed up here. It's all just mocked up. Once again, everything is mocked up. It's gonna be tore apart and, you know, re-welded, all that stuff. Made to look pretty. I got the fuel pressure regulator. It's from Speedway, boost referenced. The motor will be ripped out. Also, I got head studs. We'll gap the rings, put a cam in it, injectors, all the normal stuff, springs, all that stuff. It's just pretty standard. It's not going to be insanely, I mean, it'll be fast, but it's not going to be some drag race car or anything like that. We only have pump gas around here. There's no E85, so I'm limited to boost there, which is fine with me. CPP drop spindles, the lower cross member we pulled out and notched 2.5 inches. I don't know if you can see that right there. And I also put in some buckets. Okay, so it's like 4 inches overall. And then we got a T-Bird rack and pinion. At first I was putting in an 01 Silverado rack and pinion. And someone had told me it would work, but it didn't work out for me. Not good anyway. So I bought this T-Bird one and built my own linkage. And we're gonna have to re-weld this in. I still have that piece, I believe, to make it look good. And box in the frame partially. Because it's actually, these frames are not super sturdy from the factory. They flex a lot, especially with the way that this is set up. I have built like a custom crossmember bar down here for the rack and pinion to mount to. So it moves a lot. I gotta reinforce that still. GSI rod ends. Don't know if I told you, CPP drop spindles, and we're rerunning manual Willwood master cylinder. Up here we got Speedway's what is it? Crossflow or dual pass radiator, and we also bought the intercooler from Speedway. So we shortened the box. The interior is going to pretty much stay the same for now. I am going to put in a floor shifter. I got a Quicksilver one. I had one when I was younger and I really liked it, so I'm going to stick with that. I was going to put in AC, but after talking to Vintage Air and them giving me a quote of $3,000, I was like, yeah, no, I think I'll I think I'll design my own system. I can do it for like $1,200 to $1,400, and just do that. I'll probably do it next fall or something. So for now, I'm gonna just shave that. I also got to come up with some way. I'm gonna have to trim out the crossmember support for the hood because this turbo just barely hits it. This is to air up the front, so it's gonna go bye-bye. And we had to trim these fenders here and all that jazz to fit the wheels. These are 22-inch US wheel, and they're 22x9 in the front and 22x11 in the back. Back here, we got infamous fab bars. It's a bag over bar system, triangular 4-link. If you ever buy one from them, it's a really nice setup. They did a good job. It took a little while to get, but the upper tabs, they didn't send. So I don't think they're included. The ones on the axle are, and the lower ones down there are, if I remember right. I had to have, I think it was 4 of them made. So I had a local guy with the plasma cut them out. I just made them up on the computer and he did it for me. So as far as the floor goes, I think I'm gonna have a nice shape here, come down and I'll carpet it all. And then I'll run, it's almost like a tonneau cover, but it's not. It's gonna be a metal top just to the bottom of the rail. I don't like it when it comes over the top personally. So got a 30-gallon stainless tank that I found on Marketplace. And I'm running Richard's Hellcat pump that I'll be installing in here. I already drilled these out to -8 lines. And I reduced this one down to -6 because it's what I got. But I think I'm going to feed with -8 and return with -6 for now. If I have to change it later, I will. Again, all this needs re-welded. Finish welded, I should say, ground and all that stuff. So yeah, that's where we're at. It's got a turbo 400 factory truck 12 bolt with 373 gears and a limited slip. So turbo 400, I don't know if I said that, 2800 stall converter. It should go pretty good. It should go pretty good. So if you want to watch us continue building this truck, like and subscribe. Thank you.